Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetstudio.com, and today we are going to show you the contents which you get when you order a shield from iCarbon. So we have two shield from iCarbon and we have these shield as review, and we have just got them. In order to actually tell you, if I actually tell you the features of the shield, you have a superior scratch protection which will come with these shield, because if you actually apply these shield, they will be covering the entire part of the phone, including the bezel, the top part and the bottom part, and also they will cover the back part of the device as well, including the silver part on my iPhone 5 which we have over here. And again, it will hide the Apple logo, which may not be look good for all the people out there, but again, it does give the device a kind of a 3D look, because these shields are actually kind of with some kind of texture design which gives the device a kind of a 3D look. And again, you will have a bubble free application. That means you can actually apply these shields on your device without even a single bubble. And again, it will also give you a true 3D look on your device, both from the front side as well as from the back side. And you have these shields available in different colors, which does give your device a kind of funky look. That means you can actually apply at the top part. For example, on iPhone 5 we can apply the black part over here, whereas we can apply the orange part over here, and again the black part will go over here. And this strip which is over here, this strip has the home button, which we are not going to apply because we have a jelly bean home button on our device and we like this one more. And again, you have these optional home button cut out. There are two home buttons within this particular part of the shield, which you can actually remove and you can apply them. So in order to actually apply these shields, I would suggest that you watch the video on the iCarbon YouTube channel, where they have actually showcased how you can actually apply the shield at the back side of your device, an iPhone 5, as well as on the front side of your device, which is again an iPhone 5 for this device. So we have two shields available here. One is a combination of two colors, the black and orange, and both of them has this 3D kind of texture design which does look very good. And the other one is totally in the black color if you want to buy this one, as you can see. And again, the package is quite simple and minimalistic, because it only contains the shield, and it does have some instructions as well, which you can use to apply the shield. Again, I would recommend you to watch the video before you apply the shield on your device, and you can easily do it once you watch the video. So let's take a look what we have in this particular package, small minimal package. So here we have the pamphlet, which actually tells you about how you can actually apply these shields with some general instructions, and you can always go to this URL to actually get an idea how you can actually apply these shields on the device. So this is a kind of a very good skin or a shield, you can say, for your iPhone 5, which you can apply. Let's take a look what we have in the package. So you also get this side skin basically, which you can actually apply on your device like this. So you can actually give the edges of the device as well a very different look with this band which comes within the package. And apart from this, what else you get is this. So here you get the very good quality skin or shield for your iPhone 5, which again looks very good, kind of very funky in colors, and this is how it will look like from the front side, as you can see. And again, you can always adjust these skins even after applying on your device, because it does not leave any residue. And you can also apply the home button like this. You can remove the sticker from here and you can apply it over here. Apart from this, if we take a look, for the back side we have this. So this part will go over here, whereas this one will go over here, and in the middle we will apply this one. So let's apply this and let's see how does the device look once we apply these skins over here on this device. and again we have selected the orange and black version because we like that more. This one we will apply later on. So here we have applied the iCarbon skin on my iPhone 5, as you can see, and this is how it looks in terms of the overall look and feel from the front side. It looks pretty good, as you can see, and it is giving a kind of a reflection over this texture design which we see. At the back side it looks better because you have a color variation over here with the black and orange, with black again at the top, as you can see. And again, I would have liked it if there is a hole in the center which could actually reveal the Apple logo, which is right now hidden. If we take a look over the edges, this one also comes with this texture design edge band which you can apply, and it again does not block the SIM card slot. The power button is also accessible. You can also access the volume rockers, the volume up and down key, and the mute key over here, as you can see. And this is how the complete device looks. It does not block the audio jack, the 8-pin connector, the loudspeaker as well on the device. So this is how the overall look and feel of the device will look like when you apply this case. And again, as you can see, this is pretty good in terms of the overall look and feel. It does give you the kind of protection your device needs from the back side, because this texturized design will not get the scratches very easily, and also it is not very much fingerprint catchy, so it won't attract the fingerprints very easily. And it is matte finish in nature, so you will also have a proper grip because of the texture design and the matte finish when you hold the device in one hand. And this is how the device will look like from the front side, which is again pretty good. Again, you can go for different color option for this device. Again, you can go for different color option for this specific skin. Again, you can go for different specific options in terms of the color for these skins from iCarbons. This is the URL, so you can go to icarbons.com to buy these sheets or skins, whatever you call them. That's all from us as far as the quick unboxing and review of the iCarbon skin for iPhone 5. Do let us know if you have any specific question for this device. Do let us know if you have any specific question for these skins and their application guide. We would love to help you. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.